Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to add fade in and fade out effects in Capcut. Also, if you want to sign up for Capcut, you can use my link from the description below and you will get a small discount. So let's continue. So usually effects are under the Effects tab, but if you go searching for these fade in and fade out effects, you can't really find them, and that's because they're not under that tab. They're added with a different procedure. So the way you can add this is by just clicking on your video right here. And then from there, go to Animation right here in the upper right corner. Once you're here, you can see that you have three different options: in, out, and combo. So let's say that we want to add a fade out effect right on the end of this video. I will go to Out tab, and here you can find the fade out animation. I will click on it, and here you can see the duration of this animation. And if I go here and press space, you can see that it fades out pretty quickly. But if you want to change this, you just click on the clip again, go to Animation, Out, and I will just drag this slider a bit left to extend the time. Let's say 4 seconds. And if I play the video again, you can see that it's fading out a bit more slowly. So it's pretty much the same procedure for the fade in animation. I will go to the start of the video, click on the video, go to Animation, go to In this time, to the In tab, and I will find a fade in animation. Alright, so it's here. I don't have it, so I will download it and I will apply it. And here, let's play it. So it fades in pretty quickly. If I want to change this, I will go again on the bottom part of the screen right here, and this time you will drag the left slider to the right. So let's say 10 seconds for example. I will play the clip, and as you can see it fades in really slowly. So that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.